Welcome to the VitaLife show. I'm Dr. Janine Bowering, a naturopathic doctor, and today's topic in the show is diabetes and how to lower your blood sugar naturally. So this is a question that comes up a lot here on the VitaLife show in your comments, so thank you for that, and always do leave your questions and comments below. And you know, how do we do this naturally? Well, the great news is that we can do this naturally with our diet, our exercise, and taking the right supplements to help to naturally lower our blood glucose levels. So first and foremost, the diet. Now, watching those high glycemic carbs. So what does this mean? This means, really sweet foods. So whether it's fruit juices, even though they're healthy, they really do spike our insulin levels, as well as, the tropical fruits, unfortunately. Yes, they're very delicious and yummy, but they do raise our insulin. So things like mangoes, pineapple, bananas, very high on the glycemic index, and something that we should be avoiding if we're wanting to manage our blood glucose levels. Now, exercise really does help. So doing cardiovascular and weight training exercise really does help to keep your insulin in check. And this is really important. If you go to any doctor, no matter where they are in the world, they will tell you that exercise really does help to manage your diabetes. So this is really important. There's no way around it. Unfortunately, you have to get moving. And you'll see the results in your blood glucose levels if you're being monitored, that you will see a drastic reduction. So this is really important for you to know. Just do something and make sure you love it, because if you're exercising and you don't love what you're doing, you won't stick with it. So find something that you love to do and do it often. Now, there are some great supplements that people, they don't really know that can really help to drastically reduce their blood glucose levels and manage their insulin. One of my favorites is magnesium. So taking the right type of magnesium, and here at VitaTree we have a special type of magnesium bound to glycine. And this magnesium, what it does is it helps with the function and the utilization of insulin in the body. So this is remarkable in what it can do in terms of managing that diabetes. So standard dosage, 1 to 2 capsules a day. Sometimes we increase the dosage, so 2 capsules 2 to 3 times a day, depending on how out of balance those blood glucose levels are. So that's really important for you to know. Check that out, the VitaTree magnesium at vitatree.com. As well as essential fatty acids. So research has shown that essential fatty acids help to manage our insulin levels. So here at VitaTree we have our famous Vita fish oil, so do check that out also at vitatree.com. Very special type of fish oil, higher in the DHA as opposed to the EPA, which makes it very unique, and it's delicious. So it tastes like little orange candies. You'll absolutely love it. And now Vita Detox. Now, detoxification is really important for diabetes sufferers, and the reason for this is that you have to get all those toxins out of the internal organs. So whether this is the digestive tract, as well as the pancreas, the blood system, the lymphatic system, the liver, the kidneys, everything works in concert together. If you think about it, all the internal organs to keep you healthy. Unfortunately, because we're exposed to all these toxins, that becomes a problem and a burden to the body, and often the drugs as well, unfortunately, they cause this toxicity in the internal organs. So diabetes, if this is a problem, whether it's drug-induced from some of the drugs you may be taking or because of poor lifestyle and diet, it's really important to detoxify, and the Vita Detox will do that all in one bottle. So easy to take. You don't need to drastically change your diet when you're doing the Vita Detox, and that's why people absolutely love it as well. So thanks for joining me today. Please leave your questions and comments below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so click up here so that you always get our newest and latest uploads here on the VitaLife show about how to be your healthiest you. Be sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter at VitaTree. And remember that your health is in your hands. You have the ability to live a very healthy and vital life. Check out our other videos here on the VitaLife show as well. So if you're going to click up here, this is all about detoxification. So going into more depth as to why we all need to detoxify and to do it regularly. If you click in the middle here, this is all about our great facial exercises, which are so famous here on the VitaLife show, how to stay youthful and young and looking your absolute best and doing it naturally. And click down here for probiotics. Now, probiotics are really important for your digestive health. It actually helps your insulin as well, so do check that out. Thanks for joining me today.